Hello everybody, I have here the Poco M4 Pro and I want to show you a quick unboxing here so that you know what is included. Okay, let's open first, because we have a plastic film here. So. As you can see, everything is brand new. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so the design looks nice. I like always the yellow touch. So then at first we will have a look on the device. So we have here some specs already written. I think you have checked it already. They're nice for a mid-range phone. So let me remove the film here. So I have it in blue, and this is how it looks like. So the font is always black. And the back is plastic, by the way, but it looks very nice. At all. And yeah, that's it. We have a plastic film already on it, I see. So you don't need to buy an extra film for protecting the screen. So only if you want to have a display glass, then you can buy one, but we have already a plastic film here on it. And let's check what we have here in that box. There should be manuals and maybe a case. So we have a SIM ejection tool to also a help for inserting the SIM card. I will show you it also in another video. So we have some stickers, a bit Apple-like. So they want to create their own brand here. Also they want to force. Yeah. So below the stickers we have here the manuals. So we have the safety information. We have a quick start guide. So yeah, it's really quick because there's so many languages, and we have a warranty card here as well. And we have a plastic, plastic silicone case, flexible. And yeah, let's put it on. So this is how it looks like with the case. So you don't need an extra case for, just if you want to have something like a booklet case or a flip case or something like this. So on the edges it is safe as well. So, and the display is embedded a bit here. So also if it falls like this, it is protected. Okay, let's have a look what else is in the box. We have a charging cable, of course, and very important to know if you want to buy a second one, we have USB Type A, so the basic USB, and on the other side for the phone we have a USB Type C port. So if you want to have a second one, buy with USB Type A, it is named, and USB Type C on the other side. Okay, and we have a charger. It is also not common anymore to have a charger because many companies save also at the premium phones. They save the charger. And yeah, we have the power charging adapter here with 33 watts so that you support also the fast charging here. Yeah, that's it. No headset anymore, but I think it's okay because usually the headsets they were not that good. So I can really understand they don't put it there. It's better for the environment. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, last quick view what is included. We have the USB Type C and Type A cable here. We have the power charging adapter. We have the phone, of course, with the plastic film on it and embedded in a case. And then we have some stickers. And we have some manuals here, very quick. So that means that I will create some other videos for the phone that you can have some instructions for. And we have here the SIM ejection tool. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, what is included here at the phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, maybe by the way, you can leave me a comment also if you need some instructions for the phone in the next days that I can make separate videos for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos as well for the phone. Not today maybe, but in the next days they will come out with some tips and tricks and so on. Or you can subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.